Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a product and unboxing of a LED gaming headset stand. I actually got this because I actually don't want my new babies over here hanging on my mic, so I got a nice little stand for them. And this stand also comes with 4 USB ports that are in the front of the stand. That's perfect. And it also comes with an RGB LED light that's in the front. Perfect, because it's cool, it's colorful. And it's a phone stand also in the front. And your headphone sits right up on the top. And it looks pretty cool. You can lay your phone down on the side like this here. And you could probably lay it on the face side too. Lean it against the thing. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. And the contents to this includes one gaming headset stand with USB cable, adjustable changing cable sold separately, headphones sold separately, of course. And then this one, the special features is a RGB back lamp stand, 12 by 12, 9 by 2.5 cm, hold standard 25.7 millimeter, USB hub 4.0 x4, PVC cable and length 1.2 millimeter, headset stand, phone stand, tablet stand, USB charging, USB. That's what all this does here. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. And if you want to support my page, my Patreon page is linked below with my PayPal donation page also. So let's get right into this. This is what the product looks like. As you can see, the 4 USBs right in the front. You can see actually the light that's in the front there. The stand that holds your headphones. That's right there. This is what it can do in the back. Like I said, with the phone, you can do it that way. You can also set your phone up straight to lean against the back. There's the lights, the 4 points. That gets the stand right there. That holds your headphones, the LED lights right here, and then all the features that it goes right there. I'll bring that up nice and close for you guys to see that. Pretty cool. Goes right there like that. So let's unbox this and get my trusty, dusty box opener out. Done. Oh no, got some more on the side over here. They're being tricky. They're being tricky. Alrighty, there we go. Put that away. Alright, pop this open. Okay, and box right there. That's good. Put that to the side. Make sure I got everything. So over here they give you like a little card, I guess. Yep, like a little card like that. I like the little dog. That's neat. Alrighty, so this comes in 2 pieces. Comes in like this with the base that you lock onto the base. And this is the adjustable right here that you can squeeze, and that opens up like that. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you got the instructions right here. Show you those real quick to you. Right there like that. Show you the back. Very cool. Very simple. That looks like it's very simple to set up. Just in the front. So that's done. So now let's get out the base. Let's put this back in the box. We will not be needing that right now. I'm not the type of person that goes and just throws the box over my head like I see in other people does in unboxings, because you got to clean that up later. No, I'm a clean person. Sorry. Okay, so this is the base. Oh, it has like a little padding on the bottom. Okay. A little padding on the bottom. There's your 4 USB ports right in the front. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And then it shows you the locking system, as you can see right there. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right, so we twist this off like this. Like I said, if anyone ever wants me to ever do some unboxings of anything, my address is below, and just send me whatever you want me to unbox, and I'll unbox it on my channel, and hopefully I get to keep it, because that'll be cool. But like I said, and here's a little thing to put the phone on, like I was telling you. So basically you take this, put it on the bottom like this, and you just twist it until you hear it lock. And then it's nice and solid. But see how that's like that? But this is actually, I'm showing you this way because this is actually the wrong way. Because this here is supposed to be facing that way. So to turn it, you just turn it like this, and you pop it right off. So what you do is you want to turn it around, put it through here, then twist it like that way, and there you go. Nice and steady. Just like that. Put it like that. Pretty cool. That goes like that. Goes with your headphones right there. This right here. So now I'm going to go and plug it in, and we can actually go and see what it looks like with the light on. That will be cool. Alrighty. Oh, sookie now. This looks nice. It actually goes all the way around the base. Look at these people. Look at this. Oh shit. Sookie now. I like that. I'm a sucker for colors. But damn, I like that. Okay. Now that's nice. Okay. Alrighty then. That's pretty cool right there. Goes all the way around. I like that. Goes all the way around the base. That's cool. And then the 4 port, it's right there. So this is actually cool. So I can actually put this right over here. Because I was thinking about putting it on that side. I figured if I use my computer, I can hook this directly to my computer and hook out and unhook that other little box and save that for some other time. Okay, so like I said, this is the instructions here that they give you. Put that away. And the name of this product is right here. And that's what it is. Give you a head full seeing of that. Back and forth. This is, like I said, all the stuff that does it. And actually this product here that I'm very surprised, I picked this up at another local store next to where I live. And this right here only costed me $5. I was very interesting. Very cool about that. And it's universal, it says right there. And PC Player of the Year award. That's what it says right here. this, like I said, this product here, like, it was $5. Wasn't expensive at all, guys. And I actually like it. It does what it says it's supposed to do, so that I like. So I definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. Easy setup, does what it says it's going to, what it does. It's pretty cool with the light up on the bottom, so I don't have any problems with that. So I give this a thumbs up. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. And if you want to support my page, my Patreon page is linked below, and my PayPal donation page is also linked below too, and it's also linked on the top of my homepage at my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. Until the next video.